Let's look into NQ first. Bring on the end of the day levels. Take out my drawings. Here we go. Going to the bigger one because I like to zoom out. And what I can see only based on the gamma levels, this is also really, really interesting. We have only GEX levels above us. We have the GEX1. The GEX1 is a strong one. It's the strongest level after the major ones. And also it makes totally sense because here we was fall down all the time on this area. And when we see now this area, I want to take your attention because we was find out on the pro, and I think mostly people will follow this also. There's a big negative consolation with gold. So what I mean, so if gold goes up, mostly the Nasdaq goes down. And what is also really interesting on gold, this is why I zoom now to gold also and switch, because we are here on the high vol 0 DTE. The high vol 0 DTE is where we flip from negative gamma to positive gamma. So basically what I will do later, I will set my all out on the high vol 0 DTE, and for the NQ, I will set my all out on the GEX1 and to see if we see something different. So if we're going through high vol 0 DTE to the negative side, so gold falls down, then of course I think the Nasdaq could be going up. But if we're holding the high vol 0 DTE and gold goes up, it's really possible that the Nasdaq comes down. And I think this is something what we should be really looking for at the opening, if this would be happened. And also use the blind spots to get a better picture. This is something what I use also very often. Here we go. Now we have the blind spots. And what the blind spots helping me, they're helping me really nice to find out some supply and demand areas, what is really, really powerful. And now we have here the blind spot 10 and the blind spot 4. And to the downside, we have the BL6 and the BL9. So basically, this area is my supply and demand area for the upside and for the downside. And if we're looking into this, that's really crazy also. That's exactly the range where we are. So we can say basically the BL5 is the middle line, and BL10, BL4 is the supply and demand area for the upside, and BL6, BL9 for the downside. So every time look into this, if you want to be a bigger picture, all right, if we break it through this, you have BL1, BL3 for the upside, and you have BL7 and BL8 to the downside. So really, really simple to understand this and to follow this.